This mouth-watering garlic and chili mushroom, rich in vitamin D, will boost your immune system and keep your bones happy. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. As per one of my followers' request, I'm happy to make this chili garlic mushroom today. If you're in Instagram, please check out my page at Shine with Shobs. I am been posting nutritious food ideas, so you can follow me in Instagram as well. Now let's get started. Wipe each mushroom with damp paper towel or wet cloth to remove any dirt from the surface. Then slice the mushroom in half and cut it in 4 parts. My tip for you is to always keep the mushrooms completely dry. Never wash it, simply rinse it and pat it dry immediately. Otherwise the mushrooms get slimy and you don't want that slimy texture, so make sure to pat it dry and wipe it with a damp cloth one by one. Now you know how to clean the mushrooms. Let's start cooking. Let's quickly look at the ingredients. I'm taking 600 grams of ground mini mushrooms, 1 small onion, 8 green chilies and 8 to 10 garlic, oil, salt and pepper. I'm using shishito peppers which are not too spicy, but you may use any green chilies of your choice. Now heat the pan. I'm using cast iron to cook these mushrooms. Once the pan is heated, put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's put the mushrooms in. Do you hear the sound? Perfect. That's how the pan should be, nice and hot when you add in the mushrooms. Now quickly stir in and keep stirring until it leaves water. Always cook the mushrooms over medium to high heat. This will take away the extra moisture and brown the mushrooms evenly. At this point, I'm going to add in the chopped garlic, 8 to 10 chopped garlic cloves. Add in the chopped onions as well. You may use red onions. I had this yellow onion, so I'm going to use that. Garlic and onion will enhance the flavor of this mushroom. I can already smell the fresh garlic. Now add in the chopped green chilies. Stir it well and leave it to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Benefit of cooking in cast iron helps increase iron content as well. It's been 7 minutes, there's still some moisture left, so I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes to cook. It's so tempting, the smell of fresh garlic, chili and mushrooms. See how they look now? It's almost 15 minutes. These mushrooms are nice and dry. That's how it should look. Please note that I haven't added any salt yet. I will be adding them soon. Going to taste to see if it's cooked. Let's see. It's hot, hot, hot. Yum. Yes, they are perfect, and now I'm going to add in the salt. And ground black pepper. Fresh ground black pepper helps these mushrooms kick in those additional flavors. Yum. Look how beautiful this garlic and chili mushroom turned out. Keep watching. I'll be adding an additional ingredient, sesame seeds, to this steamy hot garlic and chili mushroom. See you all in my next video. Stay healthy, think healthy, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.